everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon, and welcome to another edition of Thirsty Thursdays. Jamie, what are we making today? It looks complicated.
Super complicated drink. Today is called the Bulldog Highball.
Okay.
Basically, gin and juice with a little bit of sugars on top.
You gotta fancy it up.
Fancy it up. So we're gonna put 2 ounces of gin.
Okay. 2 ounces of 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay.
Orange juice.
And then how much orange juice in each? I think it's 1.5.
I think about 1.5 ounces.
Okay. Ooh, that's good. But we're gonna have to get the garden hose out for this.
And then top with some ginger ale.
Okay.
Top with ginger ale, and then stir it on up. And then
All right. Here we
get
go.
out.
The Bulldog Highball.
There you go. Cheers. It's just sparkly gin and juice.
That's exact. Sometimes though, the simplest things in life are the best things in life. Don't you think? It's not a bad little drink, right? And it's easy to do. You can take this camping. You could be having this for breakfast.
You could have this camping for breakfast.
That's easy. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.